And today on Polar Ice Creamery, we're gonna do a really quick, easy vanilla ice cream using extract, a vanilla bean, or vanilla paste, condensed milk, cream milk. That's it, nothing else. So 4 ingredients total. Let's get on and make it. First off, yes, I've just walked in from the gym, but I really wanted to get this ice cream made quickly so that I can actually eat some while the house is empty and enjoy it all to myself. So a really easy recipe. We're gonna make a super luxury vanilla ice cream with milk, cream, condensed milk, and your choice of vanilla. 4 ingredients. I've got a vanilla bean, homemade vanilla extract, homemade vanilla bean paste. Use whatever one you want. I'm gonna say if you're gonna use the vanilla bean, then you're gonna need to warm your milk up with your bean in and just let it sit for half an hour. Okay, and that make sure that that vanilla flavor is infused into your milk. Okay, we're not gonna use the vanilla bean this time, so I'm gonna put that over there. We're not gonna use the extract. We're gonna put that over there. Today we are gonna use homemade vanilla bean paste. Let me know in the comments if you want to see how I make this. Super easy, by the way. So let's get everything measured up and we can get it right in the machine straight away. So what are we going to need? Nice and easy. Milk. Cream. Let's just go. We're gonna need 350 grams of milk, which is 1.5 cups. We're gonna need exactly the same amount of cream, 350 grams, 1.5 cups. An entire 10-ounce can, which is 300 milliliters of condensed milk. Sweetened condensed milk, it's all the same. So we don't want to lose any of that, so there we go. Get that whole thing in there. Love me some condensed milk. Don't need that. And finally, vanilla bean paste. We're going to add 4 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. We want a nice strong flavor, like so. And we are now just gonna get this all combined, whisk it for a couple of minutes. It's all whisked up. Let's get this in the fridge while we get our ice cream machine out and down to temperature. This is going to take 10 minutes to come down to temperature. We'll come back and churn it. There we go. Ice cream machine is nice and cold. We're just going to pour this straight in here and get it churning. I want those seeds in there. "20 minutes later, we've got gorgeous vanilla ice cream. Let's get this in a container and get it in the freezer. Four ingredient, super simple vanilla ice cream. So easy to make. You don't have to heat anything, you just have to mix all the ingredients together using a really good quality vanilla, or if you can't get, a really good brand, just use whatever you've got available. You want this to be nice and strong in flavor, so don't be afraid of adding more. Sometimes it's nice to have a recipe that is really this simple. You know, on this channel I do some really complex ice creams. This one just cuts through that, nice and easy. You can make ice cream in the morning, have it ready for the end of the day. You know, you've got a kid's party, you've got people coming over, it's Wednesday, and you just want some ice cream at the end without buying the absolute junk store-bought stuff with 100% overrun. This made about 1.4 liters of ice cream in total from just over a liter's worth of ingredients, I think 1.1. So, you know, we're looking at 20 to 25% overrun, which is perfect territory for a really good quality ice cream. Anyway, less chat, more eat. There is nothing bad you can say about this. It's not going to break any records for being, you know, the most luxurious ice cream, but what you've got is the perfect amount of overrun, really creamy texture, super easy to make, quick, cheap, and effective. Sometimes that is just what we need for homemade ice cream. Give this one a try, nice and easy to do. You can change vanilla for any other extract going, so you could use this recipe for lemon, orange, coffee, chocolate, hazelnut, the list goes on. So I hope you enjoyed this simplified video. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.